Ken of Clean Care Boulder again. Today we're taking out some cat urine out from underneath the pad of this carpet. Flooded it pretty good, it smells really bad. And this tool is an awesome way to get that out without ripping out your carpet. You can see it just pulls it right out underneath the carpet backing. It also pulls it out of the pad underneath and from below the pad. So it goes all the way down to your subfloor after we flood it with neutralizer. This is the only way to really get it deep down, clean, and get the contaminant totally out of your carpet and pad without ripping it all up. Look at that. If you got cat urine or dog urine problems in your home, give me a call at 303-530-0646 or find us on the web at cleancareboulder.com.